guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this 2-layered lemon bars, which has the perfect combination of tartness and sweetness. So in a bowl, we're going to mix 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And just mix all of this together. This will make a nice vanilla crust. Pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to melt this 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is also 230 grams. Pour the melted butter. Mix the melted butter and vanilla to make the nice bottom layer, which is going to be the shortbread crust. The dough will be pretty thick. The dough is ready. Now using a glass pan, put some baking paper or butter on top of it, and we're going to just place the entire dough in there and pressly firm the dough into the prepared pan, and making sure the layer of crust is nice and even. So you can use your fingers or the spatula, and you're going to want to bake this for about 20 to 22 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned. Now we're going to prepare the filling. Add half cup of all-purpose flour and 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. Mix this nice and even. Crack 7 large eggs into the bowl. For this recipe, I'm using fresh lemons, and I'm going to use 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is about 4 to 5 lemons. Whisk all the ingredients together to combine, and just don't overmix it. Here is the baked crust, and now you're going to just pour the filling on top of the crust and bake it for about 18 to 22 minutes or until it's relatively set. Once it's done, you can remove it from the oven and cool for about 15 to 20 minutes on the counter and then refrigerate it until cold and firm. Now I'm going to top it off with some powdered sugar and then cut it into squares. You can store these in the refrigerator for up to a week, or you can freeze them in the freezer for about 3 to 4 months. If you love the lemon taste and you want to make it a bit more stronger, you can also add some lemon zest to the filling, but just make sure to add only a little bit. This easy lemon bars recipe is done, and it has the perfect combination of tartness and sweetness, and it's made with vanilla crust and a smooth lemon filling. They're amazing. Bye!